What's up, you guys? Come with me today to install some seat covers that Frisco had sent me. This is me unboxing, and right away I noticed that it was really good material, really good quality. The leather was really good. Even came with the instruction guide. Started here with the headrest. After I put that headrest, I did the middle compartment. Started working on the seats, backrest, and the bottom seat. The fitment was actually really nice. I like how it fit. Everything was really tight. I ran these straps underneath. I tightened it. There was a metal bar. I clipped it onto there and held on really nice. I did the same process on this passenger side as I did with the driver's side. This is the finished product for the front seats and middle compartment. Went ahead and started on the back. Back parts, I unclipped these from both underneath the seats. There's two clips. It was really easy to take out. And this is me putting on the back ones. I strapped it up pretty nice. These slid right in. I zipped them up. And yeah, they fit really nice. Once I put the seats back in, I was really liking how it ended up looking. This finished product really came out really nice. I love the material. This was that finished product material, the leather.